Welcome to the channel again, cartoonish fan lovers. So we have another one of these Phat Boys, and this time we know how much they originally cost, because this one has a price of $229 from Ek something. Ek, I don't know what's the... I don't recognize that store. So, I don't know. I wonder if these are from... I ordered this off eBay in the US, so I assume that's a price tag from a shop in America. Just looking for any sort of date, like when these things were licensed. But I'm not, 2004. Okay, so we're from 2004. It's nice that they actually tell you all the different castings. Oh my goodness. This is a problem. That's going to take a long time to fill. Wow, but I kind of want to get every one of these things. I think they're so funny. They're really funny. So anyways, the brand is called Simple Wishes right here. And today we have two Benzes. So the Mercedes SL600 and this S600 sedan, I guess. Alright. Tape was stuck to the back of that one. Probably nothing in here. Just check anyways. Yep, nothing. Oh, it does say, oh, it's hidden. But under here, wave 6? I think it was supposed to be, it's upside down though, wave 3 to 5? I guess it's not meant to be seen. Alright. Let's start with the good old S600 here today. I laugh every time I look at these things. It's just, the proportions are just insane. These are crazier than Chorokyus, I think. The only problem is the wheels are so small that I can't do like 3D printed wheel swaps for them, you know? Or I don't think it'd be worth doing. They'd be so tiny, it'd be hard to get really tight details. Maybe someday. Alright, well anyways, these guys do roll. They have a plastic body, and this just says PB China, so Phat Boys. Little undercarriage detail and stuff, one screw holding it together. But yeah, I mean, because the bodies are plastic, really good detail. Door handles have some depressions, and they stick out a little bit. Blobby mirror, but that's fine. The black window trim there is nice, the blue windows. Little side molding here. Panel gaps are okay. Let's go right to the front. We have painted headlights. Some details in here in the grill. See, look how tiny these little details are right here. This is not only a dental toothpick, this is a dental toothpick where I removed the rubber. So this is super fine right here, this tip here. And then looking at the grill, yeah, it's actually textured. It's not just a flat graphic, it's actually dimensional. There's also Benz logo molded in. These vent details are, you know, also dimensional. And then they also have wipers sticking out, painted black. Sunroof detail. This side we have a tiny fuel filler door. And then the back, yeah, again, there's a texture for the lights. So there's also, you know, silver in the grooves, and then red on the outside, the Benz star, a blank white license plate. I think that's one of those tow hook covers. And then look, a tiny depression for these dual exhausts. Very cool. So like everything I just verbally said is very often what I say for like realistic looking toy cars. Right? This is a tape, I think, from the packaging, the residue. This is actually a metallic paint finish as well, so very nice. But if you look here in the wheel well, you can see it's like a white plastic or like a yellowish plastic originally. Okay, so that's a cool one for sure. Glad I have that one. Now you got the SL600. So all the wheels are the same though. So yeah, we got some vents here. The door handles depression there. The blue windows are good. Yeah, so the headlights is just white, but also a little yellow for the turn signal. The Benz star is molded on both sides. And then texture here, vents here. I think this vent's going sideways and these three ribs, so that's pretty cool. So you look at this tiny texture in the grill, it's painted black, it's very nice. And then we got two little fog lights, and they are recessed quite a bit. His wiper blades look good. Windows, panel gaps. Panel gaps are a little big considering in proportion, but I guess in the realm of casted models that cost $2.30, they're pretty good. Okay, depressions in the tailpipes is really nice too. No license plate on this guy though. Third brake light's printed well, and then the taillights are just red. Alright, this is going in here. And just PB China again. So yeah, very cool. So, just trying to get a little bit of a collection here. I got some, compared to another sporty car. This is a Corvette. Unfortunately, I have to mark them. This is an 02Z06. We'll put that next to that guy. Boy, I don't know if there's anything modern or comparable in my collection for this. No, not really. I got this Ford Galaxy 500 from 1964. Notice the tapering of this guy. It's really goofy. These are all squarish. Well, this actually is tapered in the front and the rear is wide. So very cool. Let's get the spin thing out. Let these guys go for a little spin. It's funny because I'm looking at these through my phone and it looks like the TVs, you know, the ratio is all messed up. But it's actually literally the toys are messed up. You know, it's not your monitor, it's not your mobile device you're looking through. It's literally the toys themselves. And so that, I'm just smiling as I'm talking. So I like these things. These things are awesome. Oh boy, I gotta keep that card though and see what other one. Oh man, that's gonna be dangerous trying to collect all those. Some of these things are going for a lot of money on eBay. I don't think anyone's buying them, but you never know. Okay, well thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Phat Boyz review.